Okay, Saturday morning. It's tried to take the car out, but the other day, but I realized I didn't have any charge on my battery, so I put my battery on charge. So now I'm ready to just open the garage door, take the car out, do some cleanup in here because it's just absolute filth inside. Maybe do some electrical work. I want to move some of the power plugs and the light switches somewhere else. But yeah, mainly to move this out of the garage so I can clean up and then rotate it and start working on this side. Okay, so I had a friend of mine helping me out with the rear door, front door seats, and also the fender. Now it's time to start getting cracked on this side. As expected, is as bad as the other one. You guys won't be able to see it properly, but as you can see, got holes everywhere. So yeah, do the same drill. Start removing the spot welds, do some lines to where I'm gonna cut here, and this time I might go a little bit before the bend. No, it's still rusty here. I might have to go after the bend, cut it here, and start fabricating pieces and welding it. So let's get to it. And there you go. Fully rotten, decomposed sill. Okay, so it's going to be exactly the same thing as we did with the other one. I'm going to have to cut along here, maybe do the bottom bit here as well, and reconstruct this bit, and as well this area here. Let's have a look. Yeah, just like you rebuild this whole area, and then just clean this off here. So yep, a lot of work to be done. Now I need to check this area here just to see if this is good or if I have to start working something around here. It should be okay compared to the other one, but overall sill is in a much better shape than the other side, and that is because the other side is the one closer to the sidewalk with some rust here, but yeah. Okay, so chopped off this bit just so I can see the status of this, which is absolutely rotten. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut around here and then here. I'm gonna fabricate this piece, weld it in, make this plate, weld it in up until here. Checked by looking inside here. This is okay. It goes very well. It's all okay until here. This is rotten underneath, so I need to cut this just like I did here, and then start fabricating metal sections, metal plates bit by bit, and then that's it. It's not that bad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up putting here on the inside rust converter. I'm gonna spray it all alongside the seal, and then there's a little patch, a little hole, just like this one, but over there at the very front. That should be it. It's gonna be hard to film it because it's very closed, confined space. So sorry guys if you're not going to be able to see much of the work that I'm going to be doing here. So this is what I've done. Chop this strip over here, cut all of this, welded some bits. I think I'm gonna call it a night for today. Go home, have some dinner. Tomorrow I'm gonna make this piece, and I'm gonna make this one, and then I'm gonna make the rest of it. So if all goes well, tomorrow we will be in a good position to start prepping the seal, which means we're gonna have to clean this up, drill, get some clecos, grab the seal over there, start prepping the inside like I did with the previous one, put some Dinitrol and so on, and then see how it goes. Alright, either way, thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one.